Kacingpang pneumonia kadai gawai kadau ba chung kacingdu no ki khlung red hapo sansnam karta yala kachong kacing em ba hari India palat silak ngot ki khlung hapo kani karta ki khlat na kadau kani kacingpang kacela meklaya kadai gawai na kicela ha ba kacingpang pneumonia klashem kacing em chung palat praspa ngot ki khlung kacing khlat ki khlung na kadau kani kacingpang kalong khatsan persen ki badang hapo shibnai life 100% ki ba pedang ke shibnai hadu khrar bnai karta bat khatsau persen ki ba pedang ke shisnam bat sansnam karta kum ki pa ba kinong ri nok sumar khlung kidong kam ban tep shpang ni kacingpang bat shime ka kum kacingpang ka bashirkai kum ta ban tel akam kacingpang pneumonia ka sarkar jala kelas dang ni social awareness and actions to neutralize pneumonia successfully program hak arfanai terek mai yang archar fuai hakanesh das hospital shillong hakajing alang bala penlong da national health mission Mekhlaya Kibalai dan langgi kentob Dr. RF Taryang, Director of Health Services, Dr. P. Manas, Joint Director of Health Services, Communal Officer Child Health, Dr. H. Kiri, Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Uram Kumar S. IAS, Mission Director, National Health Mission, Dr. M. Bare, Joint Director of Health Services, but MD Ganesh Das, Nalor Kiwei Pan.
Ila banyadai khlung da kabaai da kabun, kabun ka kami nado dangkha kemud nadu dangkha hadu nrub na ngi di ban ai tang da kabun sudah kemud cispa prahusngi khlung di ban yo tang da kabun namar ngitip syai ba da ba ai da kabun ila banyadar ya ka jingpang penhiar bat ka jingpang pneumonia nang ta pada ngi di ban ai pada hadin ka nrub na ngi di ban ai stang ai no ija idai ki jhur ki so nadu nrub na syadeng lang bat kabun jung ka kemi namar ngitip kabun jung ka kemi kalong bakong san tam ka bala banyada sibun na sibun ki jingpang nang ta sa kawai ban yada kadai kum gitu ki vaksin bangala batai fi ba fila yo lupa ragi kon barit jong fi mentan nadu banai jun ngatai kelas dang yo kani ka vaksin beda bat ngitip ru nadu bai ai ni rotavirus ru ngila ai dai uturu dai ba bayada na mentaki ki ka jingpang diarrhea ka jingpang penhiar ba long kham ta mai ni ki portalang te dakat ki datang layu i ba hadian bala yo adu ni vaksin ka jingpang penhiar ru kala aduna shu deha kani ka karu ila don lupa kini kidur hang ni ba kila ai ba ikhlung ila banjerho ila ban yo jing thai chadem bajur bha kumut ba penhiar mesim stet nang ta pade ila ba haporo penhiar mesim ka chadem kan rung chapo man kat ba penhiar mesim bat in yo jing shet kini de kidak kishen ki ba kongsan ba ikhlung ila ban yu i ba ikhlung i yo pneumonia tel da hakani ka la batai lot na dong chadong nang tang ilaban daladi ma firu kimi kipa mata fi start bha fi laban tip daga banyo ya ka jingpen ya jong mesim jing khlung ti yei khlung i ba hapo arbanai hang hakani ka kot rula tho lupa hapo arbanai la dangi nyo ka jingpen ya mesim jing khlung kat minang penya mesim la dangi nyo kuma 10 minit hadu 10 minit ngi di banyo la da poi hndru pho la ne palat e kan hndru pho ha hapor ba penya mesim kamut ngila ban ong ba i khlung ipang pneumonia ngim don kam kanu ka investigation bala banle ila tang ba shupek na ki dak kishen ba dak banyo ya gajing penhia mesim ri khlung telada khlung pada i penhia mesim ladai khlung na do arbana do sistem i penhia mesim kumbala dangi nyo kapoi kumba sanpho la ni palat e ka sanpho la dangi nyo kemod ngila ban ong bai ni khlung idon pneumonia.
Meghalaya has very high maternal death and very high infant deaths. Unbelievable levels of infant deaths, which is not supposed to happen. Our future of the state will be at stake. You know, the healthy generation, a healthy child, healthy mother, healthy young population makes the state a better state, a prosperous state. And all of it is a very important intervention. There is a lot of intervention from education side we need to do, a lot of intervention from social welfare we need to do, but it starts with health. That's why this program is extremely important. I have already committed that we will review the program at least once in a month on a continuous basis. Where is the status? As a lot of other ASHA workers, a lot of them have been trained. I'm very happy that the infant death has come down quite a bit significantly in the last 3 months continuously in comparing to last year, which is very good. I've requested our UNICEF team also to have a look into that and how to actually understand this much better. The important key component for all of this is that educating the mothers, and mothers are quite young in the state. That is another thing. They are barely 15, 16, 18, 10% of them are in teenagers, and many of them are in multigravida. Despite having many children, still mothers are not able to identify the pneumonial symptoms or are able to give the vaccine in times for other vaccines also, pentavalent and even pneumococcal vaccine in time. This education has to start from the health delivery center.